Here is Butterfly Landing at Walt Disney's EPCOT. Look at this beautiful landscaping here. Alright, let's see what this place is all about. Oh wow, there are tons of butterflies. Look at that. This one says white and sulfur butterflies. Are those colors there? Oh, look how pretty this one is.
Just at the watch with yellow and black stripes.
Okay, now you let the butterflies out.
Yellow and black stripes.
There's one there. It has, looks like a tiger with the yellow and the black stripes. Now this is called firebush. I like that they give signs that tell what the bushes are or the foliage, so that way you can maybe plant some of that yourself to attract butterflies. Take a look at this one. There's one of those black and yellow striped ones.
Don't touch them. Don't touch them. Mila, don't touch them.
All right, here's a description. It talks about some of the different butterflies.
Don't touch it.
Now in here it is netted.
Oh yeah.
Sun does come through, but they have it netted so the butterflies don't escape. Take a look at this. This is where a butterfly is kind of cocooned and then they hatch. And this is what they live in before they hatch. Interesting. This is the name of this plant. This says, "Welcome to the Butterfly House."
That's a butterfly.
It says, "Spending time in nature is a great way to relax, rejuvenate, and practice mindfulness, the art of living in the moment. As you walk through this garden, take a moment to notice all the living things around you, from the smallest butterfly to the tallest tree." There's another pretty one. Panama rose plant, a spinach tree. Check out this one, a cigar plant. Oh, this is a beautiful looking plant here. Almost like the shape of a calla lily, but it's not really a calla lily. This is the flower that it produces.
I think there's a bathroom in the next one they're going in, so. We already told all of these people.
This is the next one we see. I'm going dark.
And then here are some instructions to plant your own butterfly habitat. It says find a sunny spot for your habitat. It can be as small as a window box or as big as a backyard. Plant host plants to create a caterpillar buffet. Use small rocks or marbles. Create a place where you can find your new friends, can take a drink. Avoid pesticides. Sit back, enjoy your butterfly habitat. Plant nectar plants to feed adult butterflies. I'm sure there's some kind of YouTube video out there that goes really in depth with it, but all right, there's your tour of the butterfly house here at EPCOT's Walt Disney World.